Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to part one of my apartment makeover series. I'm Kiara Ianna, and on my channel, I create videos on home improvement and do-it-yourself ideas. Hi, baby muffin fluffings. It's officially move-in day, and I'm so excited to decorate and finesse my New York Housing Connect studio apartment with you guys. As you can see, I have nothing but boxes, bags, and plants in here, and not much furniture because I'm starting from the ground up and ordering everything brand new. Tomorrow is day one, and we'll officially begin setting up and decorating the kitchen. So stay tuned if you'd like to see the magic unfold. Rojo's fish tank just came. I used to have that fish bowl that you just hang up on the wall, and I was not cleaning that in a sufficient amount of time, and Rojo did not deserve that. So this new fish tank that we got is self-cleaning, and it has the thermometer and the heater built in, and it also has a self-feeder. This is from Pondum Aquarium, and it's called the Smart 3. It was $115, which I thought was very pricey, but 5 gallons is pretty big. So Rojo hates being transported, as I'm sure every fish does. So I'm just gonna grab him real quick and boop. Sorry if that was traumatic, Rojo. Going from one body of water into the next. He's loving it. He's moving around. He's exploring the environment. Yes, baby muffin. So let's continue setting up the rest of the house now. My ideas for the kitchen is just an island. I really wanted to have a runner, but the babies like to pee on anything that feels like a wee-wee pad, so no runner. And I also have some bar stools. I think I want to get an entryway nook for this corner over here, or just an entryway shoe bench with a mirror to cover this electric box. This is the box with the island in it, and it's freaking huge. There's only 28 steps, you guys. This is what it looks like when it's all finished. These boucle chairs, I got these from All Modern. A nice little modern, classy look. It has these cabinets. You can put like a garbage in here. It has these shelves. You can put decorations. Again, it has the drawers, which are very small, and large shelves on one side. It took me like 2 hours to put together. It recommended that you put it together with 2 people. I put it together myself because I'm Ianna the builder. We're gonna be in here all the time, cooking up a storm, and it's plenty of space on both sides. I have a huge kitchen for a studio, and that's such a blessing. I love it. I went downstairs because I got a notification that I got more packages in the mail, and my microwave came, and I'm so excited, you guys. It's the Danberry 2-in-1 microwave, and it's so small. It's 0.7 cubic feet. It says flexible space saving. Under the cabinet, hanging kit included, which is what I needed. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, and your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the vibe is. Ain't never got you know it being. Guys, it's Sunday. I have more packages that came this morning, and a package that came last night, but I'm gonna put it together today. It's the Entryway Console. This is the assembly instruction. Well, it kind of matches my cabinets, and it's gonna go right over there in the entry, right there. And I'm gonna get a mirror to cover that box.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for
These slippers, you guys, like Chanel, who's cuter? The slippers are Chaneling. I got more packages, y'all. I recommend everybody does this. Create a gift registry and have all your friends and your family send you things. Like, we need help out here, y'all. My grandmother, she got me so many things off of my registry. I think this is my vacuum cleaner, one of those expensive ones. I'm excited about it because I have dogs. This vacuum cleaner, it is so elite. It has all of these attachments. It's lightweight. It's only 5 pounds. It's rechargeable. The reviews on Amazon speak for itself. The next thing I got, this was from my cousin Haru. He got me some cabinet organizers. This is what it looks like in the packaging. I got this natural wood color. Yeah, this is from my grandma. This is a organizer for the drawers. You just put your utensils inside of it. I made sure to measure my drawer first because, you guys, this thing is not adjustable. It's wood, so it's the exact size. What's next? Oh, this one is heavy, you guys. This is from my sister Chastity. She got me refrigerator organizers. Dang, she got me a lot of them. Thank you, Chaz. Oh my goodness. Y'all, make a registry. Just do it. Oh, my mom's best friend Sin got me this. These are ballerina slippers. It's a vase. We love this. Thank you, Sin. Hey y'all, we in the kitchen. I got some wooden kitchen utensils. I'm going through this wooden phase. I'm obsessed with wood things, all things wooden. Here are all of the utensils, guys. They are so freaking cute. When I saw these, I was like, ah! So I bought these hangers from Amazon. They're adhesive hangers. And I'm gonna be hanging my utensils from it underneath this stove ventilator, like so. And it spins. Spinny, spinny, spinny. Real cute, real simple. Hey y'all, so I just got off work, but I got a few Amazon packages. It's my steak knife set, and they're wooden, so I love them. That's cool. Okay, so it's the other knife set. These are the big boys. I also got a knife holder that goes inside of the cabinet drawer.
For this whole thing, but you get real on the and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just want my life, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. And I like it.
This is the water dispenser for the babies. It better be the black one in here. Oh yeah, the black one is in here. Oh, and it comes with a cleaner. Okay, y'all, we're back again with another unboxing. I got some more Amazon packages. I'm gonna open up this thing that I know what it is because it clearly says what it is on the box. I hate when they do that, y'all, when they tell you what it is on the box so everybody in the whole building knows what you got. But it's a square stainless steel garbage can. But the reason I had such a difficult time finding the perfect size garbage can is because the space where I want to put my garbage can, it's a nice little cabinet and it's so tiny. I was not about to just settle for garbage outside of the cabinet. I need one that goes inside of my cabinet because my garbage gets so stinky. But I'm really happy that I came by this size, you guys. This was the only garbage can this size on the planet. It's very skinny. It also comes with these garbage bags that fit perfectly inside of them, so that's really nice. So this next package, I think this is off of my Registry. It's a wine rack. My grandma got me this. It hangs up at the top of the cabinet, and you just take the wine glass and you put them in there, just like this. These are from my friend Kiara. She got me some spice rack organizers to go inside of my drawer. And you guys know I'm on this whole wooden kick. Me and wood, we go together real bad. I had to get these ones a specific size too, you guys, because these drawers inside of this island are tiny, okay? I also got an island runner and a, you guys, y'all about to see the vision for the island because it's really about to be too cute. So guys, the kitchen is coming along beautifully. My mom got me this pot set. The pot set is from Creote, something like that. So we're gonna open this up. I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. I'm about to hang these photos up against this wall. I just feel like the wall is bare. Everything in here is just giving bare. So yeah, let's see. I feel like technically that's where a portrait's supposed to be, like eye level. So I feel like it's in a good space. I don't think it's too high up. I think it's like perfect. I think I want to get some picture lights and put them over it. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog down the mud. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog down the mud. I'm a dog down the mud. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my penny size, cause the niggas try breaking it.